Hello, and today we'll be looking at the Forces of Valor U.S. Sherman M4A3 76 medium tank Thunderbolt IV in 1/64 scale. Now this is a new scale from Forces of Valor, so we can look at one of the first models in this scale, the Sherman medium tank. As you can see, it comes with this nice little cover on it. It says U.S. Army 164 Mini Armored Fighting Vehicle Series. Got a nice image of the tank. And then on here on the back, we have some of the features, such as a die-cast turret, movable gun barrel, weathering effects, but we'll get into that once we look at the model itself. So it just comes out of this little sleeve here. As you can see, it comes in a very nice little display case. You can see the model is inside. Got a nice US Army start here. Like that, you can lift it up. And as you can see, on the display case, we have some specification information about the tank, such as its dimensions, its armor, main armament, secondary armament, and things of that nature. As well as you can see here, we have a image of the tank. Again, once again, the name of the model, the US Sherman M4A3 76W, Thunderbolt IV, HQ, 37th Tank Battalion of the 4th Armored Division, and the campaign it took part in Bastogne, 1944. As you can see, it sits very nicely in its little display case there, just held down quite simply. You can see, display case lets you see it from all angles, as well as having the nice specification information here. Now let's open it up and have a closer look at the model. Shake it gently, lift the top of the case off. And here it is. You see on the bottom, it's a little release lock. You just give it a twist, and the model comes off like so. Take off the little cleaners, these little bits to hold it down. They just pop right off very simply. Move the bottom, and here it is, the M4A3 Sherman medium tank. This is a highly detailed die-cast metal model. See, it's got a die-cast metal turret, gun mantle, gun barrel, and the upper hull is all made of die-cast metal, with the rest being plastic parts. You can see it's got a fully rotatable turret. As you can see, moves a full 360 degrees, as well as being able to angle it up and down a little bit. She's got a nice machine gun at the top, as well as a tank commander figure sitting at the top. It's got Forces of Valor signature weathering effects. As you can see, it's got a bit of effect on it to make it look like it's been through some sort of mud or something like that, as well as their signature also pad printing as well. And as you can see from the nice Thunderbolt IV here and the stars dotted across this particular model. Now let's look at some of the details. You see we've got a nice little barrel holder here, got a machine gun, got some lights. Again, got the turret, the gun barrel, again, which moves up and down. We have the machine gun, tank commander figure with another hatch right here. Looking at the back, you see the hatch where the engine would go in, as well as some tools, such as like a hammer, an axe, and a shovel held down here. Look at the back of the model. Very, very nice. Turning around, can now move on to looking at the suspension. Actually, this model showing off the vertical volute spring suspension, which is written in the specifications. Which is written on the specifications, more commonly known as VVSS suspension, as well as it has free wheels, and as you can see, they are able to move a little bit. But again, this is a collector model, so you're not going to be playing with it at all. Now, this tank was present in the Battle of Bastogne during late 1944 and played a decisive role in thwarting the German Ardennes offensive as part of the 37th Tank Battalion of the 4th Armored Division of the United States Army. It has a length of about 11 centimeters, a width of about 6 centimeters, and has a height of about 4.5 centimeters. And overall, it's a very nice, detailed die-cast metal model in Forces of Valor's new 1/64 scale, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.